Creating stunning, personalized home decor from scrap wood is an engaging and rewarding endeavor that combines creativity with sustainability. This practice not only breathes new life into discarded materials, but also fosters a deep connection between the creator and the finished piece. The aesthetic appeal of scrap wood decor lies in its unique character, versatility, and the personal narratives it can convey, making it a perfect choice for those looking to enhance their living spaces with meaningful and beautiful items. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable, stunning, personalized home decor from scrap wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the most captivating aspects of using scrap wood is the inherent beauty that each piece possesses. No two pieces of wood are alike. Each carries its own unique grain, texture, and color. These natural variations contribute to the charm of the finished decor, allowing for a level of authenticity that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. Whether it's the rugged texture of reclaimed barnwood or the smooth finish of hardwood scraps, the individuality of each piece adds depth and intrigue to home decor. This connection to nature infuses spaces with warmth and character, creating an inviting atmosphere that resonates with those who inhabit it. The versatility of scrap wood is another significant advantage. From small accents like picture frames and candle holders to larger statement pieces such as shelves and furniture, the potential applications are virtually limitless. This adaptability allows artisans and DIY enthusiasts to explore various design styles, whether they prefer rustic charm, modern minimalism, or eclectic bohemian vibes. The ability to create decor that aligns with personal aesthetics enhances the overall appeal, making each piece not just a decoration, but a reflection of the individual's taste and style. Furthermore, the process of transforming scrap wood into decor can be incredibly fulfilling. Engaging in woodworking projects provides a unique opportunity for self-expression and creativity. As artisans work with their hands, they tap into their imagination, experimenting with shapes, colors, and designs. This hands-on approach fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride when the final piece is completed. The tactile nature of working with wood allows individuals to connect with the materials, turning what was once considered waste into something beautiful and functional. The personalization aspect of scrap wood decor adds another layer of aesthetic appeal. Each piece can be customized to tell a story or evoke a specific sentiment. For instance, a wall hanging made from scrap wood can feature meaningful quotes or family names, while a wooden sign can commemorate a special occasion or location. This ability to infuse personal narratives into decor transforms ordinary items into cherished keepsakes. The emotional connection that comes from creating or owning personalized pieces makes them even more special, as they serve as constant reminders of memories and relationships. Moreover, the practice of using scrap wood aligns perfectly with the growing trend of sustainability in home decor. As more people become aware of the environmental impact of their choices, repurposing materials has become an attractive option. By utilizing scrap wood, artisans contribute to reducing waste and promoting a culture of recycling and upcycling. This commitment to sustainability not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the decor, but also resonates with consumers who value eco-friendly practices. In a world where conscious living is increasingly prioritized, scrap wood decor stands as a testament to creativity and environmental responsibility. Do you love this decor idea? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The charm of scrap wood decor also lies in its ability to add a touch of rustic elegance to any space. The raw, unfinished look of reclaimed wood can create a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for cozy living rooms or intimate dining areas. This rustic aesthetic can be easily integrated into modern settings, providing a beautiful contrast that enriches the overall design. Additionally, the natural imperfections of scrap wood can act as conversation starters, inviting guests to engage with the story behind each piece. The artistic potential of scrap wood projects is vast, allowing artisans to explore various techniques and finishes. Whether through painting, staining, or leaving the wood in its natural state, the possibilities for creativity are endless. This flexibility enables individuals to experiment with different styles, ensuring that each piece aligns with their vision. The combination of woodworking skills and artistic expression results in unique decor that not only serves a purpose, but also elevates the aesthetic of the home. In addition to enhancing personal living spaces, scrap wood decor can also serve as thoughtful gifts. Handmade items carry a special significance as they reflect the time and effort invested in their creation. Gifting personalized decor made from scrap wood can convey a sense of care and consideration, making the recipient feel truly valued. Whether it's a custom sign for a friend's new home or a beautifully framed photo for a loved one, these gifts are imbued with meaning, creating lasting memories that go beyond the physical item. The community aspect of woodworking and scrap wood decor cannot be overlooked. Many artisans share their projects online, fostering a sense of camaraderie among those who appreciate the craft. This exchange of ideas and techniques can inspire individuals to embark on their own creative journeys, amplifying the impact of scrap wood decor as a movement. Workshops and local maker spaces also provide opportunities for people to learn from one another, further enriching the artistic landscape surrounding this craft. As individuals increasingly seek to create spaces that reflect their personalities and values, the appeal of scrap wood decor continues to grow. The combination of sustainability, personalization, and creative expression makes it a desirable option for homeowners and renters alike. Each piece crafted from scrap wood carries with it a sense of history and individuality, allowing individuals to curate a home that feels truly unique. The aesthetic appeal of creating personalized home decor from scrap wood lies in its ability to harmonize beauty, functionality, and sustainability. The natural characteristics of wood, combined with the creative process of woodworking, result in stunning pieces that enhance any living space. The versatility of scrap wood allows for a wide range of designs, while the storytelling potential adds emotional depth to each item. As more people embrace the idea of repurposing materials, scrap wood decor stands out as a meaningful and beautiful choice, enriching homes and fostering a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and creativity. This practice not only transforms discarded materials into cherished pieces of art, but also celebrates the beauty of individuality and the importance of mindful living. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, profitable, stunning, personalized home decor from scrap wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.